Hello everyone. I think it is safe to say we are officially entering the holiday party, holiday entertaining season. First up we have Thanksgiving and then all the things that happen in December. And while I put this list together with the holidays in mind, these are not just specific hostess gifts for the holidays, and these are not just specific for hostess gifts. I think these would make just great gifts, period. Great stocking stuffers in some cases. Obviously that's more holiday oriented. But as I go through this, I'll mention a few other things these could be good for. But what they all have in common is that you can get them in a hurry. Because let's face it, how many of us get that last minute dinner invitation? Maybe you get a whole week's notice and maybe you have a very busy week plan and you do not have time to go to the store. So I have found all these things at Amazon. And not only are they all available if you have Prime in 2 days or less, but they're all reasonably priced because you want to get the most bang for your buck. So in no particular order, here are my recommendations for last minute hostess gifts that are budget friendly. So let's start with a car theme gift. I think I have cars on the brain because I did get a new one. This is a genius idea. So this is a bag hook or a purse hook. I will insert a picture of how these work, but basically it hooks onto the back of your headrest and hangs over into the back seat and gives you a place to hang your bag. So for me, when I'm driving by myself, obviously, I think most women just throw their bag on the front passenger seat. But if you have a friend driving with you, where do you put it? I often just throw it on the floor in the back. But this is a much better way to do it. This can hold a lot of weight and it's easier for you to access your bag, reach over. Let's just say I'm driving, this is my right hand, and I can reach over and get into my purse if I need to when the car is not moving. So I think this is fantastic. The reason I picked this particular one, they do have other ones that are less expensive. Those are plastic. These are leather, or they look like leather. And if you know the hostess's car, or host's car, you can pick a leather that goes with their car or just really any generic neutral color will do, and they have several to choose from. So I think this is a great idea. And bundle that with another great car type gift, although we use this throughout our house. It is this dust cleaning gel. I think you've seen this all over social media. So this is pretty cool stuff. If I can get mine out. It looks like something your kids would want to play with. It looks like a ball of slime, but you can smush this into all the crevices and crannies and cracks where dust accumulates, where those crumbs from those French fries that you shouldn't have been eating after you went through the drive-thru window, those are sitting in your car. You know what I'm talking about. You can get in here. But you can also use it for so many things in your house, on all of your computer keyboards, phones, all like actual phones for a landline. Remember those? Some of us still have those. There's more uses than just for the car, but I think this paired with this, put it in a little gift bag, very fun and very unique. The next few gifts center around self-care, spa type stuff, and I do want to point out, if you've watched any of my previous hostess gift guides before, there are no repeats here. These are all brand new for 2022. I'm very excited. So the first is handmade, made in the USA. This had tremendous reviews. There are 12 individually wrapped bath bombs in here. They smell delicious. The reviews were amazing. You could, of course, present this entire box as is. You could obviously take these apart and put them as stocking stuffers or little fun gifts that maybe bundle with other things. But I love that they are moisturizing. The fizz is really good from what the reviews say. Handmade, made in the USA, and shipped, with Amazon Prime in 2 days or less. So that is a good gift to grab. If your host is not a bath person, everybody takes a shower. I love shower steamers. I have recommended a few over the years, but I like these because they come in more of a gift package. The ones that I've recommended before are outstanding, but they're not necessarily gift ready. There are a variety of options with this set. I picked the one that has one lavender steamer, one cocoa and orange, bergamot mandarin, pomegranate rose, peony pear, and lemongrass coconut. But basically these are individually wrapped. You get the shower running, get that hot water going, you set it down on the floor of your shower where the water just hits it and it releases this beautiful aromatherapy experience. I mean, you could even take these apart and bundle them with some bath bombs and you have a great gift there. This next gift is one of my personal favorites I have used for a variety of things, and it is this ice roller. Now, this comes in a lot of colors. The one that I think would be great for a gift is more of a gray and white. It's a little more neutral, a little more elegant looking. This is a great gift all by itself. Everybody's stressed. Everybody needs a little face roller. I have used this post-procedure. I have used this when it's just super hot out. I have used this when I got a hot flash. Those just started fun times. If you want, you could add maybe some of those shower steamers or bath bombs, or maybe you could do some individually packaged eye masks. I found a great box of those. I will link those below as to, bundle together if you want a whole pampering kit. But this has so many uses. This is a fantastic gift as a hostess gift. I said no repeats. I forgot one thing. This is so good. It bears repeating. It is the Nest holiday candle. First of all, look at this box. You don't even need to worry about wrapping it. Get yourself a gold bow, stick it on top. I mean, if you're feeling really fancy, get some gold ribbon and tie it around, and you have yourself a beautiful gift. I went for the standard single wick size, not the votive. Look at this packaging. Look at I have saved all of mine over the years, and I repurposed the actual glass container to hold a variety of things. The scent is amazing. No one will be upset at receiving this as a gift. It is so good. This is not going to be a gift. This one I bought for myself. I needed one for 2022. I should also say that when you click that link, it'll take you to a variety of different Nest fragrances, not necessarily just this one. And there are also bundle options, so you could choose to bundle the different size candles with their diffuser reeds. Some have hand lotion that goes with it, votives. You get the big giant candle with 3 wicks if you're feeling extremely generous. But I love a Nest candle as a gift to give and to receive. Most of us, when we're invited to someone's home for dinner or some sort of meal, we immediately think of flowers, which are nice, I will say, but sometimes maybe a little more stressful for the host to have to deal with, even if you've given them in a vase. Or you think of chocolates or some kind of food that you bring. And again, if they weren't planning on serving that, it can get awkward. So I like the idea of kitchen-themed gifts that the host can just set aside and use at a later time, or can work to be used that very day without really conflicting with their plans. So the first is a brand that I have talked about before, but this particular one is new, and this is sort of an appetizer set from Mud Pie. It is so cute. It's a 3-piece set. It comes with a bowl for the dip, and inside it says dip and dunk. Has a nice fluted edge. I think these are so cute. And then it comes with this tray that says at the bottom, there's an app for that. It's just white, neutral. It could probably go with anybody's table setting, tablescape, kitchen. And it also comes with a little serving spoon that you can use for the dip. And in the bowl of the spoon, it says always appy. Get it? Appetizer. Okay. I love Mud Pie. I will link to a few other Mud Pie options down in the description box. I have received them as gifts, bought them for myself, and give them as gifts all the time for my fellow Texans or anyone who lives near a Buc-ee's or in a state that has a Buc-ee's. They have a huge Mud Pie selection, but if you can't get yourself over to a Buc-ee's, get yourself on Amazon and you can find a whole Mud Pie selection there. This next one is for the kitchen, and I think it's, first of all, I like that it's in a box. It's easy to wrap or throw in a gift bag. But this was one of the most, if not the most, highly rated digital meat thermometers on the Amazon website. So this is a waterproof digital thermometer. Let me pop it out. A couple things about this that I love. The box is nice for wrapping, but it's a good size. It has a magnet inside here, so you can pop it on the refrigerator or any metal surface that happens to be near their stove or oven, which is also convenient. It does come with an extra battery, and there's one in here already. It is very long. Very, very long needle, and it automatically turns on when you unfold it. It also can tell you how hot it is in the room. It does ambient air temperature. It is 79.7 degrees in here. I'm filming this on November 11th. Anyway, it's just a nice size. It's highly recommended. It has the meat temperature guide on it, which I think is great. So the one that I have purchased before this, it'll tell me the temperature, but I haven't memorized the guide as to what is done and what isn't, so I still have to Google or ask the Echo Dot what the temperature for doneness is on various things. It has this here. It has a lot of different things. Like, it's very handy, but not hard to use. And so I think this would be a great gift. And I think if you feel weird about just handing somebody a digital meat thermometer, I was at the Dollar Spot in Target. They have all kinds of themed dish towels for very inexpensive. I picked these two up for Hanukkah, for my friends celebrating Hanukkah. You don't see this very often, so I'm really excited. There were other options. These are the two that I picked. It came in a pack of 2. I think it was like $5. So pair that with this. So I guess you'll, you know, or find some dish towels on Amazon to pair with it. But I had to give a shout out to these because I'm very excited. Last kitchen themed thing, I think. Yes. And I think this would also make for a great 21st birthday present. It is this electric wine set. So I have heard a lot about the Rabbit, and I looked at the Rabbit. That's like a big wine bottle opener with the wine enthusiasts. And to me, it just didn't seem as easy to use. It was very expensive, and it wasn't reviewed as well as this is. So it's a whole wine bottle opener set. It comes with a stand if they want to have it sitting out on their kitchen counter. I haven't tried this thing yet. This giant device, right? You just, see it has this opening down here? You just set it on the cork, you push the button and hold it, and it just pulls it off, and then I think you push the button again and it releases the cork. So it's one-handed, easy to use. You do have to put batteries in here, so if you want to be a really good gift giver, make sure you add batteries in the gift box. And then it comes, like I said, with the stand. If you want to set it out on your counter, you can do so. And then it also comes with, I'm very excited about this, it also comes with accessories like a stopper, these are stoppers that have vacuums in them. So you put them in and then it sucks the air out, so it keeps your wine good longer. It comes with that foil cutter thing, which is handy. And then it also comes with a little aerator. I'm not that fancy with my wine. I know this, but I know a lot of people really are into it. So I think this would make a fantastic hostess gift, or like I said, a 21st birthday gift, or even a housewarming gift. Lots of options. My gift guides wouldn't be a gift guide unless I threw in a throw blanket. See where I went there with that? Of course, I love my Walmart Cozy Knit Throw. I'll link it. That's great. And if you're a Walmart Plus member, then you can get it in 2 days. But not everybody is. I get that. And of course, the Barefoot Dreams blankets are amazing, but they are most definitely not budget friendly. They can be found on Amazon, but I believe they're going for $180 or so right now. So that's, you know, a very generous gift if you are so inclined. Well, I did find lots of dupes online for the Barefoot Dreams like animal print one, and I just felt kind of weird about recommending that. And I also noticed that the size wasn't great. They were smaller than the original Barefoot Dreams throw. And then I found this. So what I love about this is it's not an animal print. Not everybody wants that thrown across their bed or their family room couch or whatever. I get it. I have one across the bottom of my bed, but it doesn't match my bedspread. My personal bedroom is different shades of blue, and I have a gray animal print throw. It is what it is. But then I found this. I'm keeping this one. I'm swapping this out. So it feels just like the Barefoot Dream. It's the same material. It's machine washable, dryable. If you have time, you could even have this monogrammed if you really planned ahead, and it's huge. It will cover the whole bed, and I like that it comes in solid colors, so it's a little less risky about assuming that they're going to go for the animal print. And it does come, I should say, vacuum sealed, so be sure you open the package and let it fluff back up. I opened mine last night, and it was instantly fluffy. So I'm really enjoying it. And like I mentioned, it's going to dip into the 40s tonight. This is getting opened and thrown across my bed for sure. A few more gifts. So this one is not necessarily for a hostess gift, but I just bought this for a gift for someone else. I'm like, I need to share this. It's not for me. I love this. This company does a whole bunch of jewelry boxes like this in different sizes, in different shapes, and different colors. I love this. It has the glass top, and then it opens up, and it has all these compartments, and you can take this out if you just want one big compartment. And then I like that the drawers are removable, so you can pull out what you need and maybe take it over to your dressing area. I love that this is a smaller footprint than the one I have, which is from Kendra Scott. And I have to tell you, I kind of like this one better. This is wrapped in like a faux leather feel. Feels amazing. And then this drawer looks just like this. But there's all different kinds of price points. You can go crazy. This one is very, very budget friendly, and I think would make a really nice hostess gift, to be honest. I think it looks really elegant and way more expensive than it actually is. I have mentioned this one before. This is an acrylic picture frame, comes in tons of sizes. I found this one because I was looking for a frame that fit the old school, what is this, 3.5 by 5 size of the really, really old prints. This is me and my grandmother when I was very little, and it's held together by magnets, so I don't want to open this one, but you just open it up, pop in your picture, pop it right on, so you don't have to worry about matting it. It stands up on its own. This lives on my desk, actually. They have a huge variety of sizes. I think this is so elegant, and you can use it for a lot of things besides holding pictures. You can put little inspirational quotes. You can use them as place cards, a variety of things you can do with these, but I think this is a great gift. I personally just got a new one. This is not available on Amazon, but I wanted to share it. It's a similar concept. It's another acrylic frame, and you can set it this way or that way, and it spins. So it's double-sided, so you can, instead of having to swap out your picture all the time, just spin it, and then you have options. I think this is really cool. This also comes in a variety of sizes, and it is budget-friendly. It's just not on Amazon. And then the last gift I want to share with you is a gift for anybody, really. I actually bought this for my husband because I thought he would really get a kick out of it. He loves making handwritten notes. I cannot get this man to use Excel or make a Word doc for the life of me. And it's the Rocketbook. You've probably heard of these before. It is a reusable notebook. These come in a variety of colors. I just opted with a very neutral beige. It feels like regular paper inside, and you use the Pilot friction pens. It comes with the pen, and then you can buy other any friction pen made by Pilot will work in all the colors and all the things. And you take your notes like normal, and then there is an app, a Rocketbook app, and you scan the QR code on the bottom of each page, and it'll send it to whatever app you want to keep your notes in, you know, whether it's an email, Dropbox, a whole variety of things, Google Notes. It's really cool. And then you just wet the cloth and, you know, wring it out, and then you can wipe down the notebook and reuse it. So it's super lightweight. It's obviously reusable. It's a really cool gadgety thing, but it's a great way to stay organized. I think it's fantastic, and it's very different from your typical hostess gifts that are like kitchen themed, bottle of wine. Why not get them a really cool gadget? Again, this would make a great gift, period, for any occasion, especially for the guys in your life that are always, for me, harder to shop for. I think this is a great option. Well, that's it for today. I am so excited about, like, can you tell? I am super excited about all these picks. I hope that you are excited as well. Be sure to check down in the description box. I have all the links, all the details there as well. Happy holidays, everybody. Welcome to the fun part of the year where we get to spend more time with the people that we love. And that includes you. So thanks for hanging around with me today, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.